Statuses have been upgraded for a more intelligent workspace. We have Smart Cascading, time logging, and Smart Checkbox for tasks. Let's start with Smart Cascading. The idea here is to have a one-click solution. So we have actions that drive the system, you set them to active next or later, and they will automatically update the origin source and the focus source if they have a status set and as long as it's not done. For example, if you are assigning things to a project and the project is completed, you might not necessarily want the project to be reactivated if you have a action that you want to assign to it later. Time logging happens on a project level and is accessed by clicking onto this little view button, which will showcase the fields for the project and remove the tab view. And the time log is here, and what's going to happen is when we click status, it will log the created time to the completed date. So we'll do that now, and you can see that this was created on Thursday the 26th of June and it was completed today at 10:48. Smart checkboxes will activate a checkbox, but only when that item is active. There are projects and objectives, for example, that do not share this same behavior. This only works for lower level actions. The smart checkbox system will allow the progress bars to tally accordingly, and they activate or deactivate depending on whether or not that item is active. The smart checkbox is only for lower level actions. The projects, objectives, and tasks will all share the same status system. However, lower level actions have this special feature where if you make it active, the checkbox will appear and become available for clicking. So how do we set all this up? If we go directly into the schema, we will actually see that we have this status option here, and it gives us two cards, which is a base and a pro. Status base is standard. You just move through the statuses and there's no smart cascading, there's no time logging, all the features we've spoken about. It just gives you the commands to move things through the process. So we can see that stream actions, for example, right now is currently in the status pro. We can also see that by hovering over the super tag, and we can see that we have function status pro assigned to it, and it's as simple as just click and remove. So if we remove stream actions from here now, we will see all the commands on the right hand side disappear. So I'm going to cut him out, and I'm actually, just for example, going to paste him into the status base so that we see a different set of commands drop up, and that gives us a much more basic option. And this will not do any of the smart cascading, it won't do any of the time logging, it just gives you the status system to move through. It still has the same intelligent checkbox system, but it won't tell you if something's overdue, it will just give you the straight up basic status.